I'm Jamie, and that there is Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're going to make the French 75.
The French?
The French 75 was invented in Paris in the First World War at Harry's Bar, a very famous bar in Paris. And it earned its name, the French 75, obviously because of the location in Paris. But the 75 comes from the 75 millimeter gun that was used in the First World War. And it had quite a punch to it. And so that's why they named it the French 75, because this drink has a bit of a kick to it. So what are the ingredients, Jamie?
So we're going to start off with gin in a shaker with some ice. We're just going to do an ounce of gin for one cocktail. So an ounce of gin. We're going to do half ounce of simple syrup.
Half ounce simple syrup.
Half ounce of lemon juice.
Okay.
We're going to go ahead, shake that up. I'm going to strain that into your chilled champagne glass, if you got one.
Okay, let's drain it in. Okay, now that's where the kick comes from, right? The 75 millimeter artillery gun.
And then usually you can use champagne, but we're going to use Prosecco. And
So basically any sparkling
sparkling
wine would do.
And just top off with your sparkling wine, Prosecco, champagne. Give it a little bit of a stir.
All right.
And that's it. French 75.
Okay, you're running ahead of me here. Hang on.
There you go. Stir it up.
All right, let's give this a shot.
French 75. Yeah, that's good.
Whoa, that packs a punch. The old 75 millimeter.
I like that.
That's actually pretty good.
That's quite tasty.
Yeah, very
I
tasty. I like that.
That one out. That's
a good one. French 75 and easy to make too. Cheers, everyone.